Okay. Okay, guys. Very good morning, and I'm muting everyone, and I'll make someone as admin so that if someone joins, right, can you admit them? Okay, guys. Very good morning, and I'm muting everyone. Can someone help me in admitting someone? Who can do that for me? Naveen, I'll make you as a person who can help me that one. Okay.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. I'll try to host, right? I'll make you as host. Okay. Let me and but if someone joins now, please make him enter. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
let's get started and welcome everyone. And today is 4th of December, and this is a fantastic day today because we are going to release a new indicator called Fabulous. So Fabulous is an upgraded version of Breakout. That's what you can say, but the strategy behind a Breakout and Fabulous is completely different. Okay, and I don't want to disclose the strategy which I used in Fabulous, but enjoy the journey with this indicator. So let me get started, and I'm muting everyone so that nobody can uh, talk in between. Okay, please do not unmute yourself in between. Okay, so let me share my screen. Also, I recorded this one. Okay, I will share my screen. Um, Naveen, I think you need to give me the host again, please. It's not allowing me to. Okay.
Sir, from where that?
No, no, I
Yes,
got
sir.
it. I
You are the host, sir. Yes.
no, I got it. Thanks. I
Sir,
just want to.
please make him co-host. Then he can have right.
I know, but it's not allowing. It's not giving a co-host. It
Okay.
says like make host, and it's not a
Okay.
co-host.
Hmm.
Okay, let's see if someone joins now. Let them. They will be posting the messages. Let's see that. Okay, so let's get started, and I don't want to waste our time here. So let me share this indicator. So as the first thing, this is the indicator. This is Fabulous Breakout indicator. It has variance. Okay, it has the range of the market also, and also it has the trend. Okay, other than that, it doesn't have anything. It has all the features of OHM. OHM Fibonacci, you can have it, but this supersede everything. Okay, so how this works is you can have perfect. Okay, you don't need to change to quick or no detection. If you really want to do a scalping, you can change it. Okay, that is a different case. So you see, scalping, it is giving me a buy, but if it's a perfect detection, it'll be a perfect. Okay, so you can have it, and you can trade with perfect or quick or no detection. Quick means it is crossing. Okay, and it will be giving a buy. Okay, this is the basic thing. It has three variant. Okay.
Sir, have you started the session? I'm unable to hear.
Yes, I started na. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me?
I think
We
we
can
can.
hear you,
Yes,
sir.
we can hear you, sir.
Yes, sir, very clearly.
Okay, I think something wrong with your system, brother. Check na. Okay, please unmute yourself, guys. So we have these are the settings that we have. This is the basic settings. I don't want to complicate anything here. So where the levels will be, the labels will be placed. That's what it is all about. And the detective 10 lines is here. Okay, you can have your what kind of detection, because you already know about breakout indicators. We have three. One is quick, perfect, and no detection. So these three are the main thing. And then we have the range of the market, and also we have the support resistance. Okay, so these are the basic things which we really need, okay, for the market. So why I have the ranges of market into the fabulous thing is because the fabulous will be giving you a buy above 3, okay, but there may be a hidden resistance at the top. So that's why this is very important aspect of it. So that's why I took the range of the market into the fabulous. Okay, now let's get into the deeper into the subject. As everyone knows about the range of the market, I'm not going to tell anything. If anyone wants, please put your hands up so I can help you in range of the market. Range of the market has been told in previous videos. So if you still have doubts, I'll just explain you one thing. The range of the market will be very transparent like this. There is a line here, right? The ranges of market, these lines, right? These are very transparent. So that gives a heads up that there is a range of the market area is here. So when you go for a compulsory buy here, there is no such things in between. So that whenever it crosses this level, we get to this level for sure. Okay. So when it crosses above this level, we can get a target on the 4th. And then we have the over what area here, and then when it crosses this level, then only you get this target 5. Okay, that is the first thing about the targets. You know about the targets, right? So where to buy, where to sell. Okay, so there is a trick here. There is one kind of a trick here. You should not go with every buy or sell above. Okay, every buy and sell above will not give you money. Okay, all you have to do is we need to work intelligently. Okay, how I have to work intelligently on this particular aspect is we need to have this trend. You follow this trend, right? I taught you about this trend in the breakout. So this trend is very, very important. Okay, see this, the trend is coming down. Okay, and the trend is changing. And also it gave me a green here and its trend is changing. And the trend is changing like this. That means that there is a possibility of moving higher. When this orange becomes green, right? Then this is a perfect trade for going on. If there is not a green and then if it goes to a red, you should not go for the buy above signal. I repeat here. Let's open a notepad. Okay. Okay. So we have buy above, sell below. These two lines we have buy above, sell below. These two lines we have. Okay. The stock is breaking up like this. And the trend is going like this. Will you take a trade? No, we will not be taking a trade because the trend is going downwards. Though it is going up, I will not be taking a trade. Because if you take a trade, we get a rejection from the compulsory buy above. This area you get a rejection and it will be falling. So in that area we should go for a shorting because my trend is telling me to go down. If it wants to cross above compulsory buy, that means that trend would have changed like this. It would have changed it and it would have gone into a green. So when it goes to a green trend and also it goes for a compulsory buy, then you have the target 3, target 4 and target 5 hit for sure. Provided there should not be any kind of a disturbances by the hidden resistance. The hidden resistance will make sure that it will not go further up. It will make it to fall. But whenever the compulsory buy goes above and then the trend is going to green, you can go for a kill on this particular stock. That means that you get the target 3, target 4, and then the target 5 levels. Okay, same thing. Okay, let's say I have buy above, sell below, buy and sell. We have this buy above, sell below. Okay, the stock is coming down like this, but the trend is going up. In that case, we have target 1, target 2. That means that the stock can come down till target 2 and then it will reverse because the trend is keep on moving up. And then if the trend changes to light, some orange to green, this stock will be moving like zing like this. The movement will be very, 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 very fast. It will be a rocket movement that you can see. The probability is you have to see the two lines here, buy above, sell below. And then if you have the candlestick like this, buy above area, and then the range, the trend is covering the range like this. That means is what is saying? It is going for a sell. You should not go for a buy. We should look out for the sell level. And then if it changes to red, this will fall drastically to the downside. Getting my point? So this is the basic thing that you need to have in the indicator. There is buy above, sell below. You should not take something on the upper side. And if it's compulsory buy, you should also think on the indicator should change to green. That is a confirmation. And when you go for a compulsory buy, it should be on the green side. Then it's a compulsory buy. And then you go for a target 3, target 4, target 5. Where did I get the LTTS? From the Fabulous. Where did I get trades from the trades? I get everything on the Fabulous. Okay. Please, please, please make sure that you have this indicator on, the trend line on, so that you get a double confirmation. As we are not looking into volumes, and we are not looking into any other indicators, we need something for the confirmation on the compulsory buy. Okay. For that reason, we have this. And also we have the hidden support and hidden resistance levels for further confirmation. When let's say we have the compulsory buy here. Okay. And then we have a hidden resistance here. Will you go for a trade here? No, this is after compulsory buy, it will get a rejection from here. That will be trying like this. And it will be trying to exit from here. It will not fall below compulsory buy, but it will try to again come up like this, and then it will be absorbed like this. It will try to make this area to be eradicated. That means it will make this go off. Okay. So in that case, the compulsory buy is here. It has to cross above, and there should not be any hurdles. There should not be any hurdles in the indicator. If even a single bit of hurdle is there, please don't go for it. And if the stock is going above the compulsory buy and then the trend is saying red, please don't go for it. Only when the trend line should be on the below side. And then the compulsory buy above, you get a beautiful move. Let's say we have the trend line is on the upside, it's on the green side, and then your compulsory buy is happening here. Will you go for it? Yes, I'll be going for it because my trend is green from here to here. Unless my trend is changing to from this side to this side, I'll be holding it. As long as the trend is going upper, higher and higher and higher, I'll be holding my trade for the target 4, target 5, and target 6. As long as the trend is changing like this and then it falls like this, then I'll be exiting my position. Getting my point? So this is the basic thing of this Fabulous indicator, because I already taught everything on the breakout indicator. This is an additional thing on the Fabulous. So that's it from my side for the Fabulous. Let's do some quick examples, and then we'll wind off in the YouTube, and then I'll take the questions Q&A with my students later. Okay, so let's get into the thing. Okay, let's get the study here. Okay, so let me go somewhere here. So I'm taking some random day. Okay, okay, so let me go here. We have the I'll take it from the low. See how it works out from the year I want to see. Okay, I'm taking it here. Now see, it's a breakout is happening here, right? It's a buy above. The trend is still in orange. So I will not be taking the trade, right? So let me go slowly. Here I want to example. See this. The trend is, yeah, now the trend is changed to green, correct? Now the trend is changed to green, and also it is telling me it is buying above. That means that there's a possibility of hitting the target 2 levels. Now after that, see, it went and hit the target, and the target color changed to orange. Okay, but it did not even touch the cell below. Okay, now see, we have one hidden resistance around this area. Buy above, we have one from the range of the market, one from the hidden resistance. So see how it worked out. You got the rejection from the range of the market. It is crossing above the range of the market here, right? And then on the range, it's getting a rejection from the hidden resistance, right? See, the trend is still moving up. The trend is still moving up. Though it changed to orange, the trend is still moving up. Unless it changed to red, keep holding it. Okay. Now, is it red? No, it's not red. Still, it's in green. See, it is trying to beat this bush. This is the only resistance it has. When it breaks, we get this target here. Okay. It is trying to beat that hidden resistance. It is trying its level best in beating that resistance. Now you're getting the green, right? So that is a confirmation that is giving that it will break this level and it will go and hit this particular area. So let's see. Green, still green. Still the trend is moving up only. Now the trend got changed to the red. So now you should not have any kind of a position here unless it moving above. We should not buy it. So my target will be around this area. I will be I'll say I'll mark this area. Crossing above only I'll be taking a trade. I'll be exiting my position because it is changing it to red. So I will be cautious because I have this hidden resistance here. So I don't want to get into trouble. So I just make it like this. But the trend is moving up for me. The trend is moving up. It is not changing as of now. So I have this level marked and I'll be watching. Yeah, now I see I got the green right now. And then I'm looking out for breakout of this particular line for this target. So I'm waiting, waiting. The green is still on. I'm waiting. See how quickly the level got changed. I'm waiting for a movement. Now it is telling me you have a target. When it crosses above, we have a target and it is closing the gap. It is trying to close the gap on the sell side. Okay. Okay. Still, the trend is moving up only. And then you got the target 2. Now the trend is again green. Now from here, it should go up. went up. So after this, it went up and hit the next day. So this is how it works. As long as the trend is green, you can go for a higher targets. Okay. So this keeps on changing whenever there is a possibility of coming down. I'm waiting for the trend to get changed, but the trend is still moving higher and higher. So the possibility of moving higher is a chance. So we should be on the higher side. We should be buying the script here because the trend is keep on moving on the higher side. Okay. So we can have a stop around this area and then we can go for a buy only. If the trend wants to cover it, it will be covering like this. It will be closing like this. But the trend is moving higher and higher and higher only. And we have this overbought area. So it tried hit. Now see, after hitting the overbought area and then the target, it came here, fall, and it was a beautiful fall. Okay. So this is the first thing. Okay. And the second thing which I want to tell you is if the buy above and sell below, let's say I have this buy above, sell below, if it's very big like this, buy above here and then sell below here is like this big. In that case, don't look out for the target 2 levels. Target 1 is enough because this is a bigger target and the levels will be even more bigger. So crossing the target 2 itself, it takes time. So when you finish that, you make it entry, close it. Okay. But whenever the compulsory buy happens here, you have to go for a kill. Compulsory sell, you need to go for a kill. Because from here, is there anything out here? In this case, we have this resistance here, hidden resistance here, hidden resistance here. So it will take time in crossing these levels. Okay. Let's see. Let's do it fast. And then we'll close it on the, see how beautifully it went up. And then it's all the targets here. So whenever it's going to change, right, it automatically changes from this level. It will try to change. You can keep on holding it. See how nicely it's changing. Whether it's a buy above or sell below, where you will not see it in your breakout point indicator. All the targets that it's finding, it's all accurate. And they can show it in Crude for a quick things. Crude works even more better. Crude oil works even more better. If anyone is looking out for crude, I'll show you a sample of it. This is crude oil. Okay. We have a buy above. First targeted, second targeted, third target also hit. Okay. See here. Okay, now we got 2 levels, right? Sell below. The trend is coming down. I'm going for a sell. Here, sell. Now see, the target 3 also met. The trend is changing here. It went and hit beautifully on the upper side, on the written resistance. Okay. So after crossing, the trend is moving higher. See, there was a fall, big fall happened, but the trend was moving higher and higher and higher only. In that case, I will be buying my position here for a target on the higher side. That's what I said. No, when the trend is moving up, I will be looking out for the higher trades. So when it comes down, I'll be buying at the lower level, around the first level, second level target, because the target, because how it works is compulsory sell below only, it will be falling. It may get support from here. It may get support from here also. When the stock is completely on a sell side, it should fall below this level. Same thing, with this compulsory buy above means the stock is on a buy above bullish mode only above this particular area. Okay, so so that's an int for you. Let's continue. See, after moving higher, we get another level. See, one target, second targeted, and then it's keep on changing. You get your, see how accurate, see the accuracy of the levels. See the accuracy of the levels. See the accuracy of the levels. You see how nicely compulsory sell. We are getting the target almost to the target. If you're a compulsory sell below, trend is going down. Compulsory sell, we have the target of 6,500, 6,600 to 6,500 is 100 points. Or big movement came in. See, this is the beauty of this indicator, and I'm releasing it today. Okay, so just watch this video again, and if you have any doubts, please ask me. I'm just closing my YouTube session, and thanks for joining. And